if he was or not. Denny probably was, if nothing else.
So maybe his boy would know. Trying to find out who was in it. I found it in a junk car and had it sandblasted, but it's got to be a good 60 years old.
He might know.
Yeah.
But I'll ask Scott and Shane too.
I'd like to try and find out who all was in it. I heard there was half a dozen guys, I think. I thought you might know.
No, I really didn't know that much. You know, I was quite a bit younger than them guys. And, you know, they were already out of the house when I was a baby. But,
well, see, I've been trying to find pictures of my old, you know, that sprint type car, race car. And I couldn't find any. Nobody had, I had one cruddy picture when we were on the track, you know, but it was distant. And Kenny had told me he'd taken some pictures, but he never did find them, and then he passed away. Well, Brian, his oldest boy, was cleaning out a garage and found half a dozen colored pictures of it, you know.
Yeah.
And I was just, the fact that Kenny had taken them, you know.
Yeah.
But
stand up next to your vet there. I'm going to take a picture of you. Stand up next to your vet there. I'll get a copy for you. I've taken pictures of this vet at so many shows, but I've never got you pictured by it. So, you know whose vet this was.
Denny?
Shane, or Scott.
Scott?